Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to change the spark plugs on this Ford Escape 2018. It's a 1.5 liter engine EcoBoost, and I'm going to show you the steps I'm going to do to change the spark plugs. First, let's go and pop up the hood. So the hood latch is right here. Just pull it towards you. And there's another latch, yellow one here. Pull it towards the driver's side and lift up the hood and put the support just like that. Once the hood is open, you will see this engine cover. You just need to pull it out, hold it with your hand and pull towards you just like that. And pull it out. So here are the coil packs for each cylinder. This one is a 4-cylinder engine, 1.5 liter. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 coil packs and the spark plugs inside. So we are going to remove this 8mm bolt and disconnect the electrical connectors on each cylinder. And then we will pull out the coil pack and we will access the spark plugs. So let's get to it. First, we are going to remove the electrical connectors. So we need to press on this white tab and pull it outside like this, and then press and pull the electrical connectors out just like that. So we'll do for all the 4 coil packs. Now using a 8mm socket and a ratchet, I'm going to undo the bolts. Once both bolts are out, you can hold the coil pack and pull it out just like that. Next, using a thin wall 14mm spark plug socket and a small extension, I'm going to remove the spark plug. So just put it down in the hole and using your ratchet, undo the spark plug. So before putting the spark plugs and the coil pack, I'm going to apply a little bit of dielectric grease on the coil pack just to prevent moisture from getting in and corrode the tip of the spark plugs. I'm going to measure the gap on the spark plug. It should be 0.025 to 0.029 for this engine. So verify it and it's good. Now I'm going to carefully drop back the spark plug in the hole. And start the thread by hand. Once it's snug, so I'm going to use my torque wrench and tighten it to 9 foot-pounds. Just like that, that's enough. Next, I'm going to put back the coil pack for this cylinder in the reverse order. And you should feel it like fit in the spark plug tip. Just like that. And then you can put back the 2 8mm bolts. Tighten it back. Just snug, not too tight, because over tighten it might break the coil pack. Next, put back the electrical connector just like that, and then push the white tab forward just like that, and you are done with first cylinder. Now we are going to proceed with the rest of the cylinders.
Next, I moved on to the second coil pack and removed the two 8mm bolts. Once that was out, I followed the exact same steps as the first one, carefully pulling the coil, removing the old spark plug, and installing the new one. From there, it's just repetition. I repeated the same process for the third and fourth cylinders. Nice and simple, just take your time and stay consistent. Once all the new spark plugs were in place, I went ahead and torqued each one down to 9 foot-pounds. This step is really important. Over-tightening can damage the threads, and under-tightening can cause misfires. After that, it's just a matter of reinstalling the coil packs and tightening everything back up. And just like that, you're done.
Alright guys, we changed all the 4 spark plugs, and now we are going to put back the electrical connectors on each coil. And just like that, we are all done. Alright guys, so we changed all the 4 spark plugs, and now we are going to start the car and see if it's running fine. And I will run my scan tool to see if there's any misfire or anything. Looks like it's running fine. So I'm going to scan the car because at first there was a misfire on cylinder 1, and we are going to check that. So now it's scanning. That was a previous code that we were getting. We changed the spark plugs, and now I'm going to clear all the codes and scan it again. All codes are cleared and no more codes now. So I turn off the car and turn it back on and running the scan again. Alright guys, so after clearing all the code and scan it again, no more codes. So seems like the new spark plugs fix the issue. So now I'm going to put back the engine cover. It goes just like that, and feel it like press on all the 4 corners just like that, and it's all good. You're now done. Close the hood. If this video was helpful and you like the video, please give a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and follow me on my Facebook page DIY Yud, and also share the video. This is a good way to support my channel. Thank you, and see you on the next one.